Have you ever wondered what would happen if Earth had two moons? Let's take a moment to consider our solitary lunar companion that we know and love. Our moon, a celestial body that orbits the Earth approximately every 27 days, plays a significant role in our planet's behavior. It influences our tides, stabilizes our planet's axial tilt, and even affects some animal behavior. Its silvery glow has been a source of fascination and inspiration for countless generations. Now, let's introduce a new player into this cosmic ballet. Imagine if Earth had a second moon. What could this mean for our planet? Well, that would largely depend on the specifics of this hypothetical moon, such as its size, distance from Earth, and its orbit. If our second moon were similar in size to our current one, and it orbited at a similar distance, the gravitational effects could be quite significant. The tides, which are primarily influenced by the moon's gravity, could be amplified or complicated by the presence of a second moon. This could lead to more severe coastal flooding and erosion, and it could also affect marine life that relies on the tides for their survival and reproduction. The gravity of a second moon could also impact Earth's axial tilt, which determines our planet's climate and seasons. A shift in this tilt could lead to drastic changes in our climate, potentially making some regions more habitable while others become less so. Furthermore, the orbit of this second moon would play a crucial role in how it affects Earth. If it were in a similar orbit to our current moon, we could expect more frequent solar and lunar eclipses. If it were in a different orbit, however, it could have a variety of other effects. Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing not one, but two moons shining down on us. It's a captivating scenario, isn't it? As we continue to explore the universe and learn more about our own planet, who knows what fascinating possibilities may await us? Now consider the impact of two moons on life as we know it. Two celestial bodies illuminating our night sky would undeniably affect the Earth's inhabitants in fascinating ways. Let's take a moment to explore how our fellow creatures might be influenced. Many animals, particularly nocturnal and marine species, have evolved to operate in sync with the moon's cycles. For instance, sea turtles rely on moonlight to guide their way to the ocean after hatching. With two moons, their journey could be twice as luminous, potentially aiding their survival rate. On the flip side, the increased brightness might also make these vulnerable hatchlings easier prey. Other creatures, like owls and bats, who hunt under the cover of darkness, might find their stealth compromised. The increased light could turn the tables, making their prey more elusive. Moving from the animal kingdom to human society, our behaviors and cultures could also see some intriguing changes. Look at how the single moon has influenced our literature, mythology, and even our expressions of love. Imagine the poetic possibilities of a world with two moons. However, the impacts of a second moon wouldn't be purely poetic. It could also bring about some practical challenges. For instance, our tides are controlled by the gravitational pull of the moon. With two moons, we could experience more extreme tides. Coastal cities might face greater risks of flooding, and sea navigation could become a trickier task. Yet, on a brighter note, a second moon could also have its perks. Imagine having enhanced night vision due to the additional moonlight. Late-night strolls or road trips could become safer and more enjoyable. In short, while the presence of a second moon could pose new challenges, it could also open up a whole new world of opportunities. Just as life adapted to one moon, it would surely find a way to thrive under the light of two. Life on Earth would certainly be different with two moons in the sky. But what about space exploration and colonization? In a world with two moons, the landscape of space travel would be significantly reshaped. Imagine, two celestial bodies, not just one, within our reach for research and exploration. The second moon would offer a brand new platform for scientific discovery, a whole new world with its unique geological features, resources, and mysteries waiting to be unraveled. With two moons in orbit, lunar research could be broadened and deepened. Each moon could have different compositions and climates, offering a wealth of knowledge about our universe. Scientists could compare and contrast the moons, learning more about their formation, their relationship to Earth, and the fundamental processes of the cosmos. The presence of a second moon would no doubt spark a new era of lunar exploration, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and technological capabilities. As for colonization, two moons could potentially double the opportunities. With more land to settle, humanity could establish more outposts, more laboratories, more habitats. Who knows? One day, we might have thriving lunar communities on both moons, each with its unique culture and way of life. But the journey to a two-moon system wouldn't be without challenges. Navigating around two moons would require more complex calculations and maneuvers. Space missions would need to account for the gravitational influences of two moons, which could cause unpredictable changes in spacecraft trajectories. We would need to develop advanced technologies and strategies to ensure safe and efficient travel within a two-moon system. Yet these obstacles aren't insurmountable. They're simply new puzzles for us to solve, new frontiers for us to conquer. And if there's one thing we've learned from the history of space exploration, it's that we humans are pretty good at overcoming challenges and pushing the boundaries of the possible. With two moons, our dreams of colonizing space could take on a whole new dimension. The night sky would not just be a canvas of twinkling stars, but also a reminder of the infinite possibilities that lie within our reach. So, what if Earth had two moons? We've traversed this hypothetical landscape, pondering the profound effects on our planet. The gravitational dynamics would be drastically altered, potentially causing more extreme tides and shifting our climate patterns. Life as we know it would be reshaped, with the additional moon casting its own unique light, leading to new patterns of nocturnal behavior, and perhaps even influencing evolution in unforeseen ways. The night sky, a canvas of cosmic wonder, would be forever changed, adding a new celestial body to our lunar family. Our journey into space would take on new dimensions, with a second moon offering exciting opportunities for exploration and colonization. A new frontier, right on our cosmic doorstep. While it's fun to speculate, for now, we'll have to content ourselves with our one and only moon. But who knows what the future holds? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking videos, and please leave your like and opinion in the comments. Your support helps us continue to explore these fascinating topics. Thank you for watching.